So hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at collecting fatwood from this pine tree. This is a pine tree that has come down in storms, and this is the bits I'm looking for, where the branches, side branches, come into the actual pine itself. These bits are absolutely loaded with resin, and it's really flammable, takes a spark really easily. It should just break off. I've gathered some already. Some of it will just snap off like so. Other times I can use my knife. I can just pry these bits in here, hear it just crack off. That will come out lovely. There we go. So I've gathered a load here. I'll show you how easily that takes a spark. So I'm not going to use all the fatwood I've gathered. I don't want to start the fire fully, but I'm just going to show you how easily it takes a flame. So you take the fatwood and with your knife just create little shavings. I'm doing this just onto a bit of cardboard at the moment, but little tiny shavings, and lots of them. The smaller and thinner the better, really. Lots of small pieces. Right. Gather them all together into a little pile. And then with my ferro rod, there you go, first go, straight away.
Do you want me to turn this, Daddy?
No, it's fine. Just... Oh yeah, okay, you could turn it so I can see.
There we go. Your face is fucking Daddy.
So I think we've got to be a bit gentle with it. Now if we move outside while we're having lunch.
It's an ice cream cone.
It does look a little bit like ice cream cone.
I'm going to strategically realign my burger expectations.
No, I want to see Nala with this fish.
So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this little video on how to gather fatwood. I'll see you in the woods soon.